think I'll just keep working on this camera view till I get it right. I'm tempted to go back to the overhead shot. Sewer pumping and commode company, and it just reeks of death through here. Oh God, there it is. Oh, good grief. To some people that's the smell of money, but that certainly smells like shit. I'm not 100% positive, but rumor is that that bridge that I just went under is where COVID started. It's a nice little place to hang out. Lots of little, let's say, coffee shops. Little diners over here. There's a really nice steakhouse, speakeasy, in this little mall shopping area right here. Oh man, you smell the steaks now. Yeah, year round. It's part of the sort of the what do you call it, the atmosphere of old 4th Street. Man, I really want to go out and let you all capture the mountain, because when you see the clouds like that, they're like pink and purple and red. That means that the sun is reflecting off all the clouds just right, capturing all that, and it's turning that mountain like a very beautiful burgundy, purple, red. I'm gonna have to capture that all for you sometime in the evening here. Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to see it over here. Nope. All right, everyone. That's gonna do it for me. So y'all have a good night. Stop over here. Hurry up and shut my stream down before I get bit by all these mosquitoes.